Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're venturing into the riveting realm of facility management, guided by insights from industry veteran Diane Voirin from P3 Builds. As we navigate this complex industry, we'll uncover some hidden pearls of wisdom on mastering facility management in a rapidly shifting landscape. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and I'm excited to guide you on this journey. Let's get started. Diane's journey began in information technology, but a market shift led her to the facility and maintenance sectors, focusing on CMMS databases. Her first role in facilities was with Halliburton KBR at Texas Instruments, marking the start of her deep dive into facility management. One of the most surprising aspects Diane discussed was the intricate level of detail required to track assets effectively. She emphasized the importance of understanding components to better plan capital expenses and carry out predictive maintenance. This approach not only saves time, but also significantly cuts costs by anticipating equipment needs before they become urgent. Speaking of predictive maintenance, Diane pointed out a common oversight in many companies. They often focus more on preventative maintenance, which only reduces the likelihood of failures, rather than predictive strategies that pinpoint when equipment will likely require attention. This proactive method can lead to substantial savings and efficiency. A digital leap from paper systems enabled Diane and her team at Texas Instruments to implement condition monitoring. This technology was pivotal in tracking equipment conditions within specific timeframes, a task impossible with traditional methods. It exemplifies how digital solutions can enhance the longevity and efficiency of machinery. For new facility managers, Diane advises a proactive approach. Identify potential issues before they escalate into real problems. She suggests walking the site and engaging directly with tenants and maintenance staff, including the cleaning crew, who often have firsthand knowledge of the building's day-to-day issues. This hands-on strategy is crucial for preemptive management and maintaining smooth operations. Reflecting on her time with JCPenney, Diane shared a transformative project where they proposed switching to LED lighting for store signage. This initiative not only promised significant cost savings, but also highlighted the broader potential for energy-efficient upgrades across older facilities. Another innovative solution came during her tenure with Texas Instruments, where a city ordinance on grease trap maintenance posed environmental and financial burdens. Diane's team proposed a microbial solution that effectively reduced the need for frequent maintenance, showcasing how innovative thinking can lead to better sustainability and cost management. Diane also touched on a controversial topic within the industry: the efficacy of using a single service vendor for all facility maintenance. While convenient, this approach may not always yield the best results. She advocates for a diversified strategy that fosters healthy competition and leverages specific strengths of different vendors, ensuring optimal service across various locations. Currently, Diane is focusing on preventative maintenance programs at P3 Builds, emphasizing a proactive rather than reactive approach to facility management. This ongoing work reflects her commitment to the three pillars of performance, pricing, and punctuality, which have guided the company's expansion across multiple states. In conclusion, facility management is a dynamic field requiring a blend of strategic foresight, technological integration, and hands-on problem-solving. Diane's experiences and strategies provide a valuable roadmap for anyone looking to excel in this industry. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into facility management. We've explored the industry's growth, the importance of predictive maintenance, the benefits of digital solutions, and the power of a proactive approach. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more expert insights. To learn more about how Upkeep can enhance your maintenance processes, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more expert takes and innovative strategies in our upcoming videos.